Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to make an in-ground composter using a little culinary utensil holder where you put the spoons in here. It already has a few holes in the bottom. All you're going to need to do is bring some power tools, get some drill bits, and I'm going to use the biggest one that I have. All right, go ahead and get your drill bit. Get your drill, put it in the reverse. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. Put your drill bit in here and switch it to the, the normal position. There we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and switch the settings to the final setting with this symbol, which is to make a hole. Grab your cup, and we're gonna go ahead and start making some holes in here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and clean the bottom. Pick up our trash after, of course. And ideally, we're trying to make some holes in the bottom so we can add some food in here and the worms can make their way in there. Okay, we went ahead and finished our banana. We have a little container with holes in the bottom, and we're gonna make our way into one of these beds. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up. And it looks like we already found our first worm. We got some weeds? Sure. We'll toss them in there. Why not? And we'll come back in a few weeks. See what happens when we pull it up. Catch you in the next video. Bye everyone. Oh, we don't see anything yet. What about down here? All right, well, I opened this a little earlier and look at all these guys hiding. Normally I don't like to do this, but I'm gonna do it just for demonstration purposes. Yep, there's a bunch of worms. Just having a good time. So it's pretty clear. When I lifted the camera up earlier, they travel up here. Still don't believe me? Well, let me show you. So yeah, they'll travel in here. Let me go ahead and put these leaves back in. And yeah, it looks like the banana's gone. I think that's what they call fast food. So, pretty cool. We're just gonna go ahead and place this back in here. Fill it up with the compost. And yeah, let them have a ball. If they might need another snack, well, we can find them something later on. Catch you in the next video. Bye.